Namaste. In this video, I will explain the feature of release grade in Google Form and Quiz. There are two options to releasing the grade or releasing the certificate. I assume that you know how to create Google Form and Google Quiz. I also assume you know how to create auto certification by using add-ons, and this is the next step to that features. So if you don't know how to create Google Form or Quiz, if you don't know how to create auto certificates, see the videos. I have created the videos on it. Go through my channel and see it. So coming back to the topic, if you are organizing some conference and you want to distribute the certificates online, on the other hand you also want to check whether the participant really attended that conference or not. You want to verify the data and then only you want to release the certificates. So here is the option. Or in another scenario, if you are teacher and you are receiving the responses of the students, but you want the result declaration after submission of all the students responses. You want to declare the result of the students, all the students at a time, then you select this feature. And generally in examination it happens, we declare the results at a time because we don't want the answer should be known to others. So they cannot share the right answer and wrong answers to each other. So when you are conducting even online examination, select this option. How to come over here? We'll show you. This is the sample test. Now it's ready and I want to send it. Go to the quiz tab and see release grade. When I click immediately after each submission, so the students or the participants will immediately receive the certificate or their marks or score submission of their responses through Google Form. When I select later after manual review, then unless I click on send the release the grade, it will not be released. So if you want to release this later on, so click on later after manual review. Click on save. Now you have sent this questionnaire or this test or quiz to the students or participants and you received the responses. Now you have to check manually the results or their score. So this is the add-on facility of CertifyM that helps to create the auto certificates. It's here. Now here the passing criteria is 50%. So whoever will get the 50% marks only receive the certificates, otherwise they will not receive any certificate. So now you have to check the record with what is their score. Go to certificate records. Here you will find a record of the students or participants in Excel file. And remember here the passing criteria was mentioned 50%. So in Excel file you will find the record of the students and participants, all their record or their fine. I think yes, it's there. So in this way you can see all the responses of all the participants, and here when it's passed, there are two options, false or true. False means here he got 40%, that is below 50% of the criteria, that's why it's a false. He got 80%, it means true, that's why you will find the certificate, but it is not released, and certificate is not generated because he got 40%. And what was the criteria I mentioned? it was 50%. So this file is just this Excel file only to check the details of it. You just go to the Excel file and just check it, just verify it, whatever you want to verify. You don't have any facility to release the grade from here. This Excel file is generated just to verify the details that you want to verify. Then you come back to your quiz. When you are coming back to your quiz, here it is. Now you have verified all the data. Now you want to release the certificates or the grades of the students or to the participants. You can do it anytime. So first, I think you go to response and then you close the stop receiving responses. So you need to stop accepting responses. To click here. So no one can give the, so it means the examination is closed and now you will have to supposed to release the grade. Now go to the responses, then inside and the scores. Here are the score. These are to participants who send the responses or students who gave the responses. In front of the score there is the option of release score. When you click on release score, the certificates will be automatically sent to their email. In this case, first candidate and 50% was the passing criteria, but this person will receive the certificates when I click on release score. Release score is nothing but to release the certificates, so automatically the certificates will be sent on the email of the participants. So in this way you can use the facility that release the score letter. Thank you very much.